What's up guys, I'm Terry on Terry and Joy. I bought this Dyson vacuum cleaner over a half year ago and now it started to stink. Dyson recommends washing the filter at least once a month and I've been cleaning it regularly so far. Since it smells bad with regular filter cleaning, I decided to disassemble the Dyson VA vacuum completely and let's get started. First, remove two filters out of the vacuum. This one has two parts, so you can disassemble even further, but it is kind of difficult. By using flat screwdriver, you can separate the second filter into two parts. Actually, I've washed this recently, so it's not dirty. And then open the clear bin, just like when you empty it. You can pull this red button underneath in order to detach the clear bin. There is another red button, but a circular shaped one. Press it to get rid of the battery and motor part. Next, unscrew these four spots. These are star-shaped screws, so let me get out my screwdriver set with different sizes of Torx drivers. We need two types of Torx drivers, one for the first spot I've just shown you, and the other for smaller spots. I'm going to talk about this later, but this set of drivers was quite difficult to handle because the upper part is too thick. It would be nice if you have a thin driver. Anyway, unscrew this first spot. Then detach this part. Next, I think this is the hardest part of all. I spent almost an hour figuring out how to open this. You need to raise this part with a flat driver if you are going to open it. At first, I was very careful because I didn't want to break my vacuum cleaner. But after I opened it, I could see that being bent a little bit was alright. I guess you can open it much easier than I did by shoving a flat driver more drastically. Then open it with both of your hands. It was really hard. Do you see this? There was a latch over here. This is how you open it with a flat driver. Just like this. Actually, more drastically than this. From now on, get a smaller Torx driver. It is quite dusty, so I recommend you wear a mask while doing this. This one is the second hardest part, and my driver didn't fit because it was too thick. So, I used this tool that was in my driver set. In fact, this isn't thin but it still was thinner than the previous one. So I was able to insert fully and turn the screw. I want to tell you my torque driver sizes, but it's not written on mine, and I couldn't search it on the internet. If you know the sizes of torque drivers, then please let me know through the comments down below. Unscrew these two and you're done. At this moment, I thought I had completely disassembled my vacuum, but it got separated even more. I will keep going when it's clean. If you do this, then it is really done.